Hello, everyone. My name is David. I'm co-founder and CEO of Exotrail. At Exotrail, we are building mobility solutions for space. We are part of what's called the new space sector, where hundreds of small satellites are being launched by new companies developing Earth observation or telecommunication services for the Earth. What we do at Exotrail is that we allow these small satellites to move on orbit after they are being launched. We do this for three reasons. First, we optimize deployment of these satellites around the Earth by allowing them with propulsion technologies to reach their operational orbits after launch. Then we allow them to optimize their performances, whether it's coverage, picture resolution, link budget, and so on. We do this with propulsion by allowing to maintain and select the right orbits for the use cases of our customers. And finally, we develop propulsion technologies to reduce space pollutions by allowing our customers, satellite integrators and small satellites operators, to avoid collisions and thereby their satellites at the end of their mission. That's our missions, and we do this through several solutions across the whole life cycle of a satellite mission. And that's what makes Exotrail unique. Across the life cycle, first with our family of simulation and operation software that we call ExoOps. ExoOps is a family of software. It's a unique space simulation environment with which our customers can simulate and operate any spacecraft mission. We focus on propulsion and on cloud technologies for customers. Then we develop propulsion systems that are highly flexible and scalable for satellites that range from 10 to a few hundred kilograms. And our propulsion systems also have a very high thrust, which allows our customers to quickly go towards their operational orbit. And this allows them to get revenues quicker. And then we develop also a family of space transportation and servicing vehicles that we call the space van. It's a project in a bit early phase at Exotrail, but through this vehicle, we will allow satellites to be carried from one place to another on orbit and later on to be repaired and assembled in space. So at Exotrail, we are now 35 people. We started in Polytechnique actually 5 years ago in 2016, 2017. There were really three phases in our company. The first phase between 2016 and 2018, we started from almost nothing to the first prototype of a propulsion systems. We got help from the SAT Paris-Saclay and also École Polytechnique. Then, thanks to the success of this first phase, we entered the second phase. We raised 3 million euros in mid-2018, and we raised another 3 million euros of public funding through grants and loans. With that money, we hired about 20 people, built successfully a demonstrator of our propulsion system and a beta version of our software that we delivered to our first partners and customers. We signed, thanks to that, a lot of contracts with institutional and commercial customers in the first half of 2020. And this allowed us to enter the third phase of our development. We raised 11 million euros in summer 2020. We now carried the team to 35 people to continue the development of our product, to qualify our product on the ground, and to expand our business team. In the end of 2020, we managed to demonstrate our propulsion system in space on board a 10-kilogram spacecraft. And thereby, we became the first company in the world to ever fly a whole thruster, which is the technology that we are using, in a satellite that weighs below 100 kilograms. This is a unique achievement done by Exotrail and which allows us to be at the forefront of innovation. We're looking forward to the future. The next few years will carry us to new product development around our space van, our transportation and servicing vehicle. And we want to become, in the next 5 years, a European leader in mobility solutions for satellites.